Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. We've got an issue with this Samsung TV. We've got a vertical band which appeared a few days ago, and we've also got this extreme white light here in the corner, and it's hot to touch, and if you push it in you can see
it's like melting it.
It's melting it.
In fact, if I put a temperature probe on there, that's 70, it's going from 75 degrees.
The TV model is UE65RU7020KXXU, and this at the moment down here is too hot to touch, and this has just appeared.
So
it's
79 degrees there.
I mean, look.
Let's get it on it. It's actually melting
So
the TV.
TV's, yeah. It's actually doing the LCD in.
So we've got 82 at one point, 84, 86 degrees that is.
The whole TV all along the bottom is
Starting to
just
melt.
baking hot.
So
It's really hot here, really.
if I come off this corner where it's now melting, and I've something to do with these LED strips, and I put it in the other corner,
Which is normal. 43, 42.
so I think Samsung, what I'd like to say to you is, this 2 years cost us £700. Yeah, bought it from a major retailer which begins with A. You're aware of this problem. We've just notified you of another problem, which is clearly a fire hazard. Based on what's gone on in this country, in the UK recently, you need to recall these TV sets urgently and pay back customers who have been sold a faulty product. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you avoid buying a Samsung, and I hope this helps Samsung put right what they should put right, because I believe in their country they do the honourable thing. Thank you for watching.